This video is about how I make my own presentations, and if the time is okay, I will put it in there how I can use presentations from others that can edit them and tailor them to my own needs. So I'm clicking here, create a new presentation, and I don't know what happens with my internet. Okay, so it tells me that I can drag my files here, so I can click on my PowerPoints and I can drag them here. It will take some time to upload it, but then it means that all my PowerPoint will be uploaded, and then I will be able to add activities. What activities I can add? It depends on what I want. I can add quizzes. I can ask my students to draw with hands in different colors, shapes. I can draw and write with their hand, even answers, wordy answers. I can ask them to type with open-ended questions. I can link videos, YouTube videos, online videos, other videos, so I can do actually whatever I want. While I'm waiting for this to upload, I will go back and I'll show you the other options I have. For example, sorry, wrong one, this one. I can show you the options I have to click on existing presentations and make them live or send them to my students as homework. So if I click the live session, that means face-to-face, that happens in the class, so I'm controlling the content, whereas in the homework they can control, as we said, their own content. So here the Nearpod is generating a pin that I need to share with my class for the activity, and I can write it on the board, I can email to them, I can put it as a link in my classroom. As you see, this code here and this is the same. That's it. I have published this activity and I'm doing that in my class. However, I can go back, I can revisit it, and the same one I can send it as homework. Okay, so this is the homework. I can email it like this with all the possible emails. I can tweet it, I can use the Hangouts or Facebook, I can send the links, I can embed it on my website, I can put it on the Google Classroom. Hoping that this is ready now. Yes. I need a tick, I'm waiting a tick. Now it is okay. I can see that, and I can go, it's processing it, it needs some more time, and then I can add my activities. I never done this. I don't know if I can. No, I can't add activities while it's processing it, but it is still there. Now I can add. So my PowerPoints as PDF, they're here, and I can add slides in between here so I can have more activities. This is the PowerPoint, by the way, I'm using for the class. So I can add more content, and that means I can add slides, I can add videos, I can add audios, I can go field trips, so I can go and they can move around and see a camera. I can record. I don't know if I'm able to add the videos I have in my hands. I'll try and see if I can drag a video. So let me see if I can upload something very small, for example this one. Yep, it's there. So I can add a video. I think it is uploading it, and I will delete my time. Yeah, I think I'm losing the time. I may stop. Oh no, it is ready. No, it's not ready. It needs some time. I think I have to stop it until the video is ready. So now my video is added. I can put it wherever I want it. Let's say there. Sorry, there. And this is actually the more consuming time, and it's not the best idea because it takes my quota from the 10 megabytes or whatever I have for free. Also, I can do the same, add content, but I can put videos that they're already published on YouTube. For example, the same video I have here, I have published it on YouTube, and there it is much quicker because it's just using the link of the YouTube. For example, this is the link, and it searches in the video, it finds the video, and I'm selecting it, and I'm uploading, and I'm saving it. So it's much quicker and more efficient to upload the videos first on YouTube. So for example, I put it in there. So except of content in the form of videos, I can put slideshows, I can put PDFs, I can put live Twitter streams, whatever I want, and they keep adding. I can of course add web content the same way as I did it there, but in the previous one was a YouTube video. Now it is a link, and can be a newspaper, can be anything I want, can be a website. So I'll do both. The reason I really love Nearpod. So I'm saving that. So it is one kind of web link, and this is a difference. That's a website now, not a video as such here. So I can put it there, or I can use another content, and this time the content would be this side. Control C, copy, and then Control V, test the link, takes me there, tries the link, it works, I'm great. So I'm going here and I'm saving it. So again, this is a link. The most important thing is the activities I can add. I can add something I really love, and my students love it, like this drawing. So the students, we will try, they can draw a house. Irrelevant, but doesn't matter. I have a reason for this. My students love it, and they can write with their hand, they can solve mathematics with their hand, and the beauty of this is that I can copy, right-click, copy, and I can put it there, paste, and now I can double-click and say draw a car. Again, irrelevant. I can put it there, anywhere I want. Anywhere that I want, just with a click. Whatever is interesting also is that as activity, I can have free slides with open-ended questions where students can type their answer. For example, answer the question, answer the question on the board, because I don't know what question the students will have. I'm improvising that, and I have that available. I can make a few copies of these. I can have them at the end of my presentation, and I can quickly slide through there, and I can choose something impromptu to respond to my students' needs. So I have it there, one question. I thought that I will need another question to be answered there, and I have one spare for the future in case something comes up. What else? It's interesting to see in quiz format the answers of the students, like a quick response that gives you data, quick data. So Nearpod is amazing, great, don't know yet, need more time, need to try, whatever, and I can have one or two correct answers, and I can save it, and then the students can show me possible responses. So this is something I have created, and then we can change it, or I can add it, edit it later to my likes and my needs. So I'm publishing this. I need to write all these things because trial 2, otherwise it won't be published. So it is EdTech 2015. No, sorry. EdTech 2015 delayed. And it's not a grade, and it is not a subject published. I think this is happening for their own data, and this is trial 2 here, and now I can share it with my students. You will see it coming here. I can share it with my students, and I can give it as live session, as a homework. I'll do the homework because I want you to see what the students see as homework. So this is the link, and I'm going and let me, okay. Let me go there and come the session, Control V, and enter. So now I'm seeing as a student my homework. It takes me straight there and gives me data, and I'm sending my response as a homework person. And now I can click from here and I can draw a car. I don't know what's the car. That's my car. And I can, if I want to draw, I can change colors. Oh, sorry, I clicked text. Sorry. I can change colors. I can draw. Students really love it. Really love it. And I can read this, very important, the flipped classroom, because really that means they can read the theory, they can watch the videos, they can answer the questions, and they come to the class ready. I know what they have done. What's the question on the board? I don't know. If it's homework, probably you won't have that. But the student is controlling everything. I hope you understand how nice this is, and they can send the answers every time they respond. For example, they can watch this, yeah, and then they can answer the question. So now they have to draw a house, yeah, and they have to send it to me, yeah. So I know their responses. And that's it. That's how the homework works. And now we know how the homework is working. Let's see what's the difference with the live session. This is the live session of the teacher, and you will give me this code, Control C, and let's see. So I will have that in this part of my screen. I hope I can do this magic. Okay, so this is this part of my screen, and here I'm going to have a Nearpod.com, and I will do the session Control V as a student. Now I am a student. Okay, so I want you to see the way. Okay, so this is me, the teacher, and I know that there is one student there in my class, and this is me, the student. And here I have all my PowerPoints. I can start from here and I can share that. And once I explain that, I can go and ask the students to tell me what they think about the flipped learning. So what do you think about flipped learning? I can click here and I can draw, think I like it. I think I like it. And then I have to send it, and me as a teacher, I see Alexandra answering to me this. And then I can share with the class and say, okay class, this is what this person has written. You see, I know it's Alexandra, they don't. What do you think? Is it okay? So, and I can continue my lesson, having robust discussions there. So, okay, I have to close this, and I can go and say, okay, I've done this, let's go and discuss this with my students now. So, I have a bank of questions or ideas, and the students can lead me ahead or they delayed, so I can play around this. I hope you get the point of this, and it's easy to show you how we can work on ready-made PowerPoints and presentations.